Over the years, we've coached hundreds of dentists to simplify and refine their office systems, making practices much more productive, profitable, and far healthier places to work. Along the way, we've learned something important. When dentistry works well, it becomes fun again. Today, I want to talk about recruitment and retention, because nearly every office is struggling with it. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Most aren't doing anything to actually solve the problem. A signing bonus? Sure, it's nice, but it's also temporary. Studies show the impact fades quickly. Congratulations, you've hired a mercenary, and mercenaries leave. The goal isn't just to fill a position. The goal is to create an opportunity so compelling that the right person sees it as their dream job and not just another option with slightly better pay. Because if your role feels like every job out there, just with a little bit more money, that relationship will end. It's only a matter of time. There are big picture things people want from their careers. A sense of belonging, pride in where they work, to be proud to wear your logo out in the community, confidence and self-esteem. And yes, culture can support all of that. But here's what many practices miss. None of it matters if the day-to-day experience is broken. No amount of motivation, team meetings, or positive energy can overcome a chaotic system. Your team doesn't just want a great culture. They want a workplace that functions. They want to leave on time, have dinner with their family, to be organized, not constantly reacting, to move through the day with flow and not friction, to know exactly where everything is, and to look patients in the eye with confidence, no excuses. They want control, and only you can give that to them. Over 90% of dental practices fail to provide this level of control. The results? Stress, confusion, burnout, and turnover. Some practices feel like chaos. Others are simply underperforming. Either way, they are not environments where great people choose to stay. Retention isn't as complicated as we make it. Instead of focusing only on the procedure you're performing, become an expert in how the procedure is experienced by the patients and your team. When you build a low-stress, high-performance environment, the team thrives. Your patients feel it, and your practice becomes a magnet for talent. Great environments attract great people. It's not luck, it's not timing, and it's definitely not a black art. It's a science. But the foundation isn't your job ad or your marketing strategy. It's this. Become the practice that people are excited to join. Because you're not looking for whoever happens to be available to hire. You're looking for the person everyone else wants to. And the question is, have you built the kind of environment that earns the right to attract them? If you'd like to explore what's possible for your practice, check out our efficiency assessment or give us a call. Your future team member is out there.